Hello, today in the lesson we will analyze the problems of finding the percent of a number and the number by percent. We have been working out how to do it. I told you that there are a lot of ways to find an algorithms, but you should choose the method that is clearer to you, that is convenient for you. So, let's write down the following tasks. The first problem, we need to find 50% of 54 that we need to pay attention to. So let's write down for ourselves what we need to find. We need to find the percentages of the number 54. The key is from, which means we need to find the percentages. Let's remember what we need to do that. To do that, we need to multiply. So I multiply the percentages by the number. And if I remember what I need to multiply, I multiply 50%. I multiply it by 54 and divide it by 100%. That's it. I've written down the algorithm and now I'm acting on it. 50% and 100% are reduced. That leaves 2. 54 divided by 2, that's 27. Now let's take another problem. 54, the number 54, that is 50%. See the difference? Here's the key thing. It's from of our number. And here 54, that is 50%. So what do we need to find? We need to find a number by its percentages. In this case, what do we do with you? We're remembering, what am I supposed to do in this case? I have to 54 multiplied by 100 and divide by 50. I write down the percentages, and what do I get in this case? 50 and 100 are reduced. Here I have 1 and here I have 2. And I multiply 54 by 2. That would be 108. These are the two positions you have to deal with. You have to understand clearly what you need to find, the percent of a number, then you multiply the numbers and the percent and divide by 100, or you need to find the number by its percent. In this case, the 100 we put in the numerator. Notice here we divide by 100 and here we multiply by 100. And the percent itself we put in the denominator and do these operations. I told you that there are many ways to solve this problem. I will show you one more way and we have talked about it. So if you see then in this case we multiply. Naturally, the first thing we have to do is we have to convert the percentages. We have to convert the percentages into a decimal. And then what do? 50% we convert to a decimal fraction. To do that, we divide 50% by 100%, and we get 0.5. Now, if we want to find the percent of a number, we multiply the decimal fraction by our number. So 0.5 tenths. 5 tenths. We multiply by 54 and the result is 27. The answer is the same. And if we find the number by percentages, then in this case we're going to divide by 54. Divide by 0.5, and in this case we will get 108, and the answer is the same. At the next lesson we will continue to work with percentages, and for today I have everything. Goodbye, see you again.